So in this video I'm using a single lithium ion battery to charge 4 P-caps in series. Well, I said 4 stacks of P-caps in series, which is then powering my drone. And so I gave it a 3-second to a half-second cycle. So it's 3 seconds of using battery power to power the drone, and it's using half a second using P-cap power or poly supercap power to power the drone. So you can hear it toggling back and forth. 3 seconds, half second, 3 seconds, half second. And that is just to keep the drone going between the two energy sources. So by doing this, this gives me extended lifetime of that battery by breaking out the duty cycle of using P-caps and using lithium batteries. So you can see the drone, it's battery power, P-cap power, battery power, P-cap power. Just doing this 3 seconds of battery power and then half a second of P-cap power. And this is just effort to keep the drone going and to extend the life of that battery using these poly supercapacitors. So you can see here I have 4 stacks of poly supercaps in series. So there's more than one in each stack. And I'm using the relay and using the Arduino to do the back and forth swapping. So this is not an intelligent system right now. This is just a timed circuit of just 3 seconds battery power, half second P-cap power. So that's it for this circuit. Thank you for your time.